A Cash App verification failure usually means the app couldn't confirm your identity, verify your personal information, or complete a required security check. Finding the exact step that's failing is the quickest way to solve the problem. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons Cash App verification fails, and the steps that usually get your account verified successfully. Start by checking your personal information. Make sure your legal name, date of birth, phone number, email address, and any other requested details exactly match your official records. Even a minor typo or outdated contact information can prevent Cash App from completing the verification process. Next, review your identity verification. If Cash App asks you to upload a government-issued ID, take clear photos in good lighting. Make sure the entire document is visible, all text is readable, and there isn't any glare or blur. If the app requests a selfie, keep your face fully visible and follow the instructions exactly as shown. Now check your phone verification. If you're waiting for a verification code by text message, confirm that your phone can receive SMS messages and has a reliable cellular connection. Avoid requesting several codes in a row because each new request can invalidate the previous one. Wait a few minutes before requesting another code, then enter the newest code immediately. Your network connection can also affect verification. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection or mobile data before trying again. If you're connected through a VPN, disconnect it temporarily because some security systems may flag unusual network activity during identity verification. Next, update the app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install the latest version of Cash App. Updates often include fixes for verification, login, and security-related issues. If you've already uploaded your identification, don't keep submitting the same documents unless Cash App specifically asks for new ones. Identity reviews may take some time, and repeated uploads usually don't make the process faster. If everything appears correct but verification still fails, the issue could be caused by temporary server maintenance or a service interruption. Waiting a little while and trying again later can resolve problems that aren't related to your account. If the verification error continues after completing these steps, contact Cash App support through the app. They can review your account, explain why verification didn't complete, and let you know whether additional information or documentation is required. To recap, verify your personal information, upload clear identification, use a stable internet connection, keep the app updated, and contact Cash App support if the verification process still doesn't complete. If this guide helped you fix your Cash App verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and financial app tutorials.